What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. And I got a lot of questions about what is my favorite game, what are my favorite ones from Apple Arcade. So here we go. I'm giving you my top 5 games, well, top 4 games from Apple Arcade, and then another one that I think you'll like that's also capable with the Xbox controller. Let's check them out. So one of the first games that we're going to look at is Sayonara Wild Hearts. Now this is an ode to music or whatever. It's basically a indie arcade, fast pace. I don't know what to call it. It's a nice little game though. Like I said, very fast paced. Works nicely with the controller. It's kind of hard to control sometimes, but it works. Still one of my favorite games. Whether you're playing with the controller or you're playing with the actual swipe of your fingers, it's a pretty decent game to play. Now, I'm not that good at it, but I do like it. And if any game out here would probably make you have a seizure, I think it would be Sayonara Wild Hearts. One of the most colorful, graphic-filled games out there. And you see how it just turns and does its own little thing? It's a pretty nice game. Just don't run into anything. Yeah, you disappear and you gotta start all over, just like that. Next game we're going to talk about is Agent Intercept. Now, this is a fast-paced racer again. You have toggles for turbo, and you can also get different missiles, different gadgets, but controls are really nice. You can knock these cars out of the way. They get in your way, no more turbo. So you collect these little orbs right here, and you can drift, and you got a boost, and let's get some missiles, and boom. There we go. So nice little game, nice graphics. I like the fact that you can drift. You got the missiles. Picking them up as we go. You're drifting. You can actually jump. Missiles. So you're just basically a secret agent trying to do something secret. I'm not sure, but it's a secret. So that's why I don't know what I'm doing. But don't hit the landmines or you blow up. You can hit the cars, just don't hit the landmines. So, Agent Intercept, that's why. Okay, I'm messing up. This is one of my favorite games in Apple Arcade right now. And that's dope too. It just turned into a boat. So one of the most chill games out there is Skate City, and basically you're just skating through different areas, just doing different types of tricks. So one of the most chill games out there is Skate City. You just skate through these different areas and you do different tricks. And holding down the A button is gonna get you your actual speed. And then you can actually do the tricks by moving the direction pad in different ways. And there we go. So it's just a nice little chill game. And every direction you take this in is going to give you a different type of trick. And then you crash. Okay, but still one of my favorite games in the Apple Arcade. So one of the many 2-player games, this is Spidersaurus. If you're over 30, you're going to know what I'm talking about. If you're under 30, you may know what I'm talking about, but just try to pay attention to keep up. If Contra and Metal Slug had a baby, it would be Spidersaurus. Oh, got hit. So you're basically just running through. The backstory to this is, I guess people have run out of food and they have created these genetically modified creatures. And these creatures now don't want to be the food. They want to eat the humans. So people have once again messed up, and it's up to a few to fix all the problems of the Mini. So this dude right here is one of the main characters. There are only two. Can't remember their names right off bat, but one is a guy, one is a girl, and his little gun or whatever it is, it has baseballs in it, and basically you just climb and you blow the Spidersaurus away, and that's your job. So neat little game. Reminds me of Contra. Like I said, Contra, Metal Slug. If they had a baby, this would be the game. So this is 2K20. I'm gonna tell you right now that this game is gonna cost you. You're gonna pay about $6, $5-6, I think, for this game. This game will not work in the menu with your controller. So you have to touch the actual screen until you get ready to play, and then when you touch a button, controls go away on the screen. So moving your characters. Let's see what we got. Okay. Controls are really nice. This is me right here. Controls are nice. Graphics look pretty decent. Alright. Slightly late. I've never been good at 2K, but I'm just letting you guys know that this game will work on your iPad OS, and it will work with one of the third-party controllers that you're going to be able to use for this new operating system. Just remember, once you go into the menu, controller does not work. So you got to touch everything within here, but when you come out, let's go back, controls work. So that's been it, guys. Those are the top 5 games that I'm playing currently right now using my iPad and iPad OS. Apple Arcade looks very promising, and for $5 a month, I don't think it's a bad price for you to go out and get it, subscribe to it. You're gonna be able to play any game you want. Only downside to that is you have to actually download these games. You cannot play directly from the arcade. So you got to download them, then you'll be able to play them. That's the only downside. It's going to take up space on here, and you cannot put apps on your external hard drives or your SSDs. Hope this is able to help someone. Till next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.